guys, Happy New Year! For today's video, we will mix moss green, matte latex paint for concrete wall. Moss green is a dark green with a tint of yellow. Moss green promotes a sense of comfort, regeneration, and rejuvenation. This color brings calmness. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button. To keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 liter moss green matte latex mix. Okay, let's start by pouring at least 40% ratio of flat latex white. Followed by adding acrylic color phthalo green. Also add acrylic color raw sienna. And a drop of acrylic color lamp black. Let's stir the paint very well. Let's compare. Oh, we are more on green. We have to add more flat latex white. And also add more acrylic color raw sienna. Drop a little acrylic color black. Stir the paint very well. Okay, let's match it once more. It's almost the same. We have to make it a little lighter. Let's add more acrylic color raw sienna. And drop acrylic color black. Let's add more gloss latex phthalo green. To make it matte finish. Okay, let's see if it's the same now. We are just a little bit darker. Add more acrylic color, raw sienna and flat latex white to be lighter. Let's compare. Yes, it's the same shade. Already. Mixing accomplished. Please do watch the full videos of our paint mixing tutorials to learn step by step of mixing paints. Thank you.